Hello LEGO fans, and welcome to a special Boost edition of Beyond the Instructions. In this episode, we're using the Boost Creative Toolbox to create an autonomous robot inspired by UNIKITTY. If you haven't already heard of LEGO Boost, don't worry, we got you covered. The Boost Toolbox is a new high-tech system that lets you create amazing machines while learning how to code. It's got Bluetooth, 3 interactive motors, a sweet color and distance sensor, and the whole thing connects to your tablet or phone. Out of the box, you can build 5 main projects: Vernie the Robot, MTR4, the Auto Builder, Frankie the Cat, and the Guitar 4000. But what's awesome is you can really build whatever you want with LEGO Boost. We've already made an automatic potion making machine, and today's project, an autonomous robot. We're gonna base our designs off the helper robots from the UNIKITTY show. Step 1 was attaching a basic frame to the Boost Move Hub, then mounting 2 large tires to act as our main drive wheels. Using LEGO gears and chain, I connected the wheels to the A and B motors, then added some smaller caster wheels to the back for stability. To recreate the robot's arms, I used the 3rd motor and some Technic pieces to build a mechanism that lifts up and down. Next, I took some gray plates and a bunch of red tiles to recreate the robot's face, but left room in the center for the Boost distance sensor. I built out the rest of the robot's body using mostly gray LEGO panels. Then used some spare parts from this UNIKITTY set to create a little cockpit for our minifigures. I proudly present the Helper Bot 3000!
3000!
Using the Boost app, we've created a program that should allow our robot to solve this maze completely on its own. This is possible thanks to the awesome distance and color sensor here. Our robot is programmed to drive forward until it detects a wall. It then stops, scans left, scans right, takes additional distance readings, and then figures out which way is clear. Rinse and repeat, and the robot should be successful. But there's only one way to find out. Activate!
3000!
It's kinda slow. Time-lapse mode, activate! Time-lapse is exhausting. Sorry. All right, everyone, that wraps up this special Boost edition of Beyond the Instructions. Let us know which crazy project we should take on next by leaving a comment below. Hey, it's HelperBot. What's up, bud?
Father, I have completed the maze. What now is my purpose?
Let me get back to you on that.
Father, where are you going? I need additional input. Father, why?